So today I'm going to make a really simple fish dish. Fish with black bean sauce, so kind of nice Chinese, very simple stir fry little thing here. It really is quite easy. It tastes absolutely divine. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Way. So we're going to get started off with our fish. Now I've got here this dory fish or white fish. It was frozen, defrosted it, and I just cut it into fairly large pieces. I've got some regular flour there, wheat flour. You can use corn flour if you want. I don't know, there's 3 tablespoons maybe. And then a teaspoon each, I've got salt and pepper. And then here I've got some star anise powder. You could use some 5-spice powder if you want. And if you don't have that, you just go with the salt and pepper. It's fine. We're going to give that a mix. So I'm in a larger bowl now. I'm just going to tip that flour in and the star anise powder and the salt and pepper. I've got a little glove on here. And we're just going to sort of mix this in and get the flour all over the fish. And then very simply, we're just going to head over to the cooker. And we're going to fry this off first. Okay, so I'm heating some oil here. I've got like 2 centimeters of a vegetable oil. It's actually sunflower oil, but vegetable oil, corn oil, anything you like really. It's getting nice and hot. We're just going to drop our fish in. And we're going to fry this around for about maybe 5 minutes or so. And you can use a different type of fish than I'm using, but I find this kind of dory fish or this kind of nice fillet of fish works really nicely. So about 5 minutes. I'll turn it over once or twice. Okay, off goes the heat. Got some lovely fish there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fetch this out and I'm going to put that onto some paper towel. Get any excess oil from it. Then we can move on. Now, discard 85% of this oil. We're going to cook in this oil because it's got some obviously great flavours already. But yeah, most of it, you need to get rid of it now. So I've got 1 onion chopped using a red onion. I've got a bunch of green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. And I've cut them quite chunky. Cut them small if you want. Tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of black bean sauce. And you can use any brand. They're all pretty good. And yeah, we're going to go back in. This is really quick and beautiful now. Okay, so the heat is back on. I'm on full blast again. I've reduced that oil right down. We're going to go in with our garlic and our ginger. We're going to go in with our onion. And on a high heat, we're going to go for around 3 minutes. Simply, we're going to drop the fish back in. And we're now going to go for 2 minutes. Keep it on this nice high heat and keep it moving. Want to get some of that lovely garlic and ginger on the fish now. Okay, so we're at the final stage now. Very, very simple this is. We're now going to drop in the black bean sauce. A couple of tablespoons of that. I'm going to add some black pepper, but I'm not adding salt because of the black bean sauce is very salty. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of water. About another 3 minutes. Keep this moving now on the high heat. Only one more thing to do. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's grab all of those green onions. Like a whole bunch I've got there, it's quite a lot. Cut them nice and chunky. Just going to stir them in with the heat off. I don't want them to be cooked really, I like them quite rawish. So, you know, but yeah, they'll get a little bit of a steam on them, won't they? Bit of heat through them, but that's it, you've done it, well done. Let's see you at the table. And there you go, that's done. Fish and black bean sauce, really, really delicious and very simple. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.